Hey, I'm Dr. Jess Laine, and this is Math Made Simple. Today we're breaking down rational and irrational numbers and making them easy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tell the difference between them every time. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about rational and irrational numbers. What is a rational number? A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. That includes whole numbers, integers, terminating decimals, and repeating decimals. For example, 1/2 is a rational number because it's already written in a fraction form. -3 can be put in fraction form. We can put it over 1, so that is automatically rational as well. 0.75, we can rewrite this as a fraction, 75 over 100. And 0.3 repeating, we can also put this as a fraction. So anything we can make a fraction, it's automatically rational because that is the definition of rational. What about irrational? Irrational numbers cannot be written as fractions. Their decimals, when put into decimals, they will go on forever and they will actually never repeat themselves as well. So a good example is the square root of 2. If you put this in your calculator, you will see that it goes on forever. Obviously, in your calculator, it will stop, but it does go on forever and it never repeats itself. And the most famous one we deal with is pi. Yes, we round it to 3.14, but it technically continues to go on forever and ever without ever repeating itself. And so to determine if something is rational or irrational, there are two magic questions. The first question is, does it terminate? And the word terminate means stop, okay? So does it stop? And the second question is, does it repeat? If your answer to your question to either of these is yes, it's automatically rational. It has to be both no for it to be irrational. So, for example, if we have 3, the number 3, does it terminate? Yes, it ends. It doesn't keep going on forever. So automatically rational. I don't even have to ask that second question. Then another one, does it terminate? So let's say 0.36. Does it terminate? Yes, it ends. So it's automatically rational. Okay, again, 0.2 repeating. Does it end? No, it does not end. Let's ask the second question now. Does it repeat? Yes, automatically rational. Okay, 0.5631 ... Does it terminate? No, ... means it keeps going. So let's move to the second question. Does it repeat? I do not see a pattern. It does not repeat. So that means it's irrational. So again, both no, irrational. One or both yes, rational. Okay. And so just make sure you ask those magic questions to yourself. So let's do a quick check. Quick check. 0.25. Is this rational or irrational? Well, first we can put it as a fraction, 1/4, but we can ask ourselves those questions too. Does it end? Yes. So it does terminate. So it is rational.